On Vernon Avenue, I'm out dead, homies, nigga, exhale. On hood, I done tore that motherfucker up, ran it up, come out here and tear it back up. To all the hater niggas and hating bitches, on Vernon Avenue, I'm back, bitch. Off the back, I'm back, bitch. I'm about to run it up. Vernon Avenue, who I'ma call tonight? On dead homies, off the back, I'm out, bitch. On Vernon Ave, nigga, on the dead homies. Chris on the fig, dead homies. I'm out, bitch. Y'all thought I was gonna stay in that motherfucker? Nigga, that's out, dead homies. Tore that motherfucker up. Caused destruction, took over modules, fuck niggas over, dead homies, I'm back, bitch, on hood, and I'm about to run it up, dead homies, niggas, break the internet, dead homies, and fuck niggas over on 4-0, Prince on the fig, bitch, I'm back, bitch, they done fucked up and let the wrong nigga out, dead homies, gonna be a lot of problems out here, I'm back, off the back, bitch, I'm back, on Vernon Avenue crib, Chris on the fig, it's the hood day, you done fucked up, Vernon Avenue or nothing. Vernon Avenue, dead homies, they done fucked up and let me out this motherfucker. Dead homies about to be a whole lot of problems. I'm about to knock your bitch ass out too, Aaron the plumber. Vernon Avenue, nigga, I'm back, bitch. Off the back, I'm back.